In this video, you'll learn how photosynthesis works and what the inside of a chloroplast looks like. Now everything starts off very small, just like this little plant here, but they all grow larger because of sunlight and photosynthesis. And we'll learn what that looks like later, but here we see the plant grows eventually very large into a nice flower. Now let's find out more just about what photosynthesis looks like and how that all works. Here we have an autotroph, a strawberry plant making its own food. Sunlight is given into the leaves, and the leaves soak it up and use it to make the plant sugars. Carbon dioxide is also a large help to the glucose making process because it helps sunlight in that respect. Minerals and water are soaked up through the roots, helping the photosynthesis process as well. Now what we get out of all of this is the plant sugars or glucose, and they come in many forms. In this case it's strawberries, but it could be many other things, and sometimes it's just the plant itself is the glucose. Oxygen is released out of the plant as well, and that's what we breathe. So we breathe out carbon dioxide, we get oxygen. Now let's dive a little bit more into the chloroplast. Now this is the outer lining wall. Basically just keeps everything in and everything out that needs to be. Now here we have the inner wall, which keeps mainly everything in and just holds it all together, keeps everything nice. Here we have just a single thylakoid, and that's what they are when they're just by themselves. It's just a thylakoid. When you have a nice stack of them like you have here, it's called a granum. And this is where a lot of the stuff really happens, is inside of the gramen stacks. Now what's connecting them all together is called the lamella. And the lamella really helps because it just is there. Now inside each of the little thylakoids is lunum. And here, this is where a lot of the processes happen. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this video because I sure did, just making it for all of you. Until next time, farewell.